The fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's.
Right away, Zay Pasha.
Blue Eagles.
One girl you wanna see get going here is Isa Nesperos.
Yeah.
Katulong ni Hermosura in the front.
Althea, the snap of the wrist.
Thea rather quick to respond with a running attack. No blockers there, has improved, and that's something we keep mentioning in our coverages.
Bump set by the Chavez. Hermosura gets it to go.
Court there of UST. I believe that was Saizagula.
Lula with a nice pass.
Good pass.
Balingit. That familiar attack, the lefty. 4-3. Hermosura. And ito yung kailangan ayusin ng Ateneo. Their cover last game they had. This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. Oh, nice serve from Isa. Breaking that pattern by UST. Free ball for the Blue Eagles. Chuatico converts.
Good pass as well by the Chavez.
Yeah.
Hitting right on the line. So far,
Avril Braun, one of the bright stars for UST. Casey Cortez.
it was a perfect pass by the Chavez, but Casey Cortez deceiving that 1-2 play so efficiently. Activations in the middle, and that could be also because of their reception. But so far, yeah.
Nesperos turned back by the defense.
UST, bantay sarado si Isa Nesperos that time around.
This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Care of
Marvis doing a wonderful job on that first ball. Again, she keeps that ball in play. Poyos, nothing Ateneo could do on that one.
Poyos just hits.
This spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. That's hang time. 4 straight points for UST. Make that 5 with that ace from Saizagula. Definitely a chance.
Back-to-back service aces now.
Det bumps it up. Julia Balingit targets Donna May De Leon. She scores.
That's a set coming from Pepito and really avoiding that block.
Here to the Golden Tigresses. Another ace. Sugoi.
With the service ace. Ateneo did not expect
Nila si Julia Balingit when they went to Japan. And then they found out she was Filipina. As Isa Nesperos.
From Isa Nesperos, great setup as well.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart Our Way, Our Rules in this set. But they were able to find their rhythm and now have pulled ahead by 6. Oh, Rob Celia with a hammer.
Continue on that good start that they had here in that first set.
Oh, Rechorado. Valiant effort.
Rado. The lefty. Hermosura could not handle that hit.
The Chavez setting up Zay Pasha. Carvalho. Pinuntahan si Saizagula. Goes down the line.
That's the perfect set. Saizagula is looking for that quick tempo shoot set to the left.
Pepito bumps it up. Saizagula. De Chavez. Sayang, no? De Chavez na naman. And Golden Tigresses get set. This set is brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era. The fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's.
Actually, another promising player that we saw was si Mishka Fernandez.
Yeah, pinaitaan na naman tayo kayla. Ace galing. Junashima with a hammer cross court.
Rather with a great target cross court, hitting that in between the two blockers. Actually, just a batch below me. So it's really great to see her in action here.
Kurado naman. And Giga, yes!
Another good hit coming from Ngiga. Only one blocker there on the side of for Ateneo in the beach volleyball tournament.
Yeah. Sila nilomokso. Hula pa.
With a back quick attack. Talented libero in their lineup.
Robzilia.
Robs. Off that quick attack. Good set. Again by Fujimoto.
12-10. Ace coming from Tax.
Neo homegrown.
Mump set, Red Jurado. Nice pickup by Tax. Fujimoto. Pero nandun din si Mishka Fernandez on that Ngiga attack. That time, Red Jurado will not be denied.
Look at how far that set came from Escobar with a bump set.
Really well, actually. Robzilia was turned back by Maymay Coronado. Hora, itinawid yung bola, naipasok at nakapunto sa...
Challenge attempts per set.
Oh. Mishka Fernandez, well-executed attack.
What a save.
This spike brought to you by Potato Corner. Where's Messi?
What a save. Yung first touch. I think that was Arasan.
Sinagot.
That's the perfect set for her. Only Mishka Fernandez was...
Spark, 14 apiece here in the second set. Mishka Fernandez. The pickup from Tsunoshima. Jenna Hora. Nandoon si Escobar. Red Jurado. One more time.
A handful of points already at this point midway in the set. High efficiency.
Red Jurado. It's in. Such a crafty scorer, Red Jurado.
Yun, naging service ace ng kalaban.
Saka yung errors eh. Pero sa paas siya, tinuldukan yung rally na yun. Ateneo just down by 2 points. An ace from Gulapa.
Lucky service ace.
Over reception. UST gets it back though. Gula, nice drop.
Good decision.
Tournament. Hinabol siya sa lineup ni Cochiani Fernandez. And she has become a vital cog here.
Setters definitely going to the percentage spikers. I mean, Red Jurado has just been perfect.
Robzilia establish yung block doon. And Giga attempts and scores.
And Giga again goes off the
bola sa UST. Ateneo with a much better reception, I was about to say, but that second ball faulty.
Faulty overpass there, and Saizagula just taking charge at the net.
Tsunoshima hammers it down.
Good redemption.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Red Jurado down the line attempt, foiled by De Chavez. 23-21. Oh, Poyos! Unstoppable!
You could not defend that ball. No blockers. Celia was late to get.
Red soars and scores! How about that?
Set. Mean. She has turned all those sets into points straight away for UST.
UST a 2-0 lead. They tabla. Ace galing kay Angge. Lamang na sila. Such a luxury. So you could do both. Saisa Gula. Sizing up the...
Far both Gula, or actually the three of them, Poyos, Gula, and Jurado have been playing well today.
Hermosura. Nice pass from Det. Angge, Poyos. Powers through.
What a wind up. The elevation and the finish by Angge Poyos.
First technical timeout UST with a 2-point lead. Free ball for UST. Reg Jurado. The pickup from Tax Fujimoto. Rob Cilia barely getting it across. Blocking that attempt by Amarga Altea. Isa Nispero. Supalpal. Inabot kay Reg Jurado.
The blocker that attempted to get that ball, but she was able to read Isa Nispero as well.
This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken. And Reg Jurado puts it in. This spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. The UAP behind FEU. But their last championship was a long time ago. Si Coach Shaq pa yung coach nila noon. Angge Poyos off the block, it goes. Set by De Chavez. Tupasha again. Carvalho. Reverse set. Jurado has been mesmerizing to say the least.
With the finish, as she goes cross court here. Another point for UST.
Hermosura. Free ball for UST. De Chavez keeps it alive. Angge Poyos, the hang time, and
just too powerful. De Chavez couldn't get to that ball.
Zay Pasha converting for the Blue Eagles. 16-12, Ateneo behind now by 3 after that hit from Hermo. Isa na lang ang lamang ng UST. Julia Balingit, cross court. It's in.
Hit that ball over those blockers.
Carvalho. Casey Cortez to Nisperos. Yes!
Good target.
Reg Jurado puts the hammer down.
Perfect pass by Pepito and a great setup by Carvalho.
Zay Pasha. Susubok ulit si Zay. Gets that one in. Tabla na tayo ha.
It's a good save by Nesperos.
UST counters with Angge Poyos. Why not?
Angge
for UST. Junashima diving in was Det Pepito. Blessing Unekwe. And nicely done.